Have you ever wondered which SoundTraxx product decoder is in your model? Well, we're going to talk about how to identify it now. Now, if you're trying to figure out which manual goes with the decoder that you have, there's an easy way to do this. You can read a couple of CVs on the decoder and identify the product so that way you can grab the correct manual. So on our website at SoundTraxx.com under the reference documents, we have a step-by-step document that will show you how to identify product. Now, the first thing to do is to actually put the locomotive on the programming track and read CV8. CV8 is known as the manufacturer ID. Now, when you go in and read CV8, you will read 141 for all SoundTraxx products. Now, every manufacturer has been assigned his own value, and so therefore you can quickly identify which manufacturer's decoders you have in your model by reading CV8. Now, on SoundTraxx products, our second step is CV7. Now, CV7 is a product identification code. Now, again, using the document that we referenced earlier, you can actually see the list of all the CV7 values that are good for the Econami and the Tsunami2. Now, if you have an older product, either one of the DSD LCs or one of the DSD 150s, you can also go to those respective technical references, and you can see the individual pages on those and what the CV7 value is, so that way you can identify which decoder you have inside the model. Now, taking this one step further with the Tsunami2 and the Econami, you can also read CVs 105 and 106 to help identify a little bit more about the decoder. And also CVs 253 through 256 will also help you identify which specific Econami or Tsunami2 decoder you actually have inside your model. That way you can get the default values very quickly and be on your way programming the features of the Tsunami2 to match your tastes. So let's show you how easy this is. Now, on this locomotive here, this is a factory installed Athearn Tsunami2. We're going to go ahead and read a couple of CVs to identify which decoder this is. So we're going to go ahead and switch off and use programming track mode. Now, with our power cab, the main line will turn into a full powered programming track. So now we're going to read CV8 and we're going to wait. And CV8 comes back as 141, which means it's a SoundTraxx decoder. Now we're going to read CV7. And CV7 is going to come back as 71, which tells us this is a Tsunami2 product. And then next we're going to read CV253. Now, 253 for all aftermarket installed Tsunami2s are going to read a value of 1. So by reading CV253 now, it comes up as a value of 3. So this identifies this as an Athearn factory installed Tsunami2. Now, by reading the other CVs, you can get very specific as far as which software version is installed and also which board format. So take a look at it and try it out with your Tsunami2s today.